What's up, my peoples? Country goes to town, and Country had to go to Virginia today. I picked up a 100X ticket, a $30 ticket, and got a 2 times on it, and won $100 and didn't record it. But and that's in the house. I'm in the truck now, and gonna see if we can win $4 million on this ticket. Super Cash Frenzy prizes started at $30, and $4 million top prize, matching the numbers to win. And you got a money bag, you win the prize, and $2 signs, you win $100 instantly. $3 signs, you win $200 instantly. So ticket number 12, let's get to scratching. I've been working with this screwdriver today, and I'm gonna see how it is to scratch with this screwdriver. A little something different. Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. 29, the 2, the 12, 31, 34, 15, 21, and the 7. Let's see what we got. There's that 11. We need the 12. 14, no help. 17, nope. 33, need a 34. A 36. A 48. Don't need it. What we got here? Oh, 24. Need a 34. A 29. Ding, ding, ding. How's our 29? Look at that. That is awesome. Awesome, man. 46. No help. 19. Nope. Got a 29. The 3. Need the 2. The 9. Nope. A 38. Nope. 22. Need a 21. 45. Nope. 40. 42. Nope, no 42. 32. We need a 31. 16. Need a 15. That's a 5. We need, nope, no 5. I need the 7. That's the 8. We need the 7. 13. Nope, that's a backwards 31. 43. Nope. So we know we at least got $30 off this ticket. Its prizes start at 30. 37. Nope. And a 41. Nope. We got a 29 though. We know we got $30. So let's see if it's any more than $30. We know it's a profit. I see a 0. I see another 0. I see $30. $30. That's what the prizes start at. I'll take it. That's $10 profit. And I got 100 today on that 100 times the money, 2 times 50. So that's awesome. So I'm having a good day, a very good day. And y'all like and subscribe, comment, and share, and do all that stuff you're supposed to do or you want to do, and enjoy what you do, because I sure do. See you later.